I'm gonna use AI to become a health coach. So here's how I would do it. First, I would make my website with Durable. They're a great AI company who make me a perfect landing page. They generate all the copy. Then I would capture their email, have them fill out a questionnaire with Google Forms. Once they're done with that, I would use a Zapier, take that information into ChatGPT-4. I would use a plugin called Wolfram, and the prompt I would use would look something like this. And here's all their information, preferences, what they like to do to work out, other details, has 3 young kids, works at a desk, has hypothyroidism, hysterectomy, and their allergy to gluten. So once I run that, Wolfram is gonna do its magic and give them an entire calculator, entire plan on what to eat, how to work out, and how to be more healthy and achieve their goals in losing their weight. You see right now, it's already calculating her BMI. So she's obese. I told her to put it into charts and graphs to help her easily read it. Boom, 20 minutes, 30 minutes. Nothing crazy. Here's a diet plan, including her allergy. I'm well on my way to making money as a health coach already. Look at that, it gives you how much weight they're gonna lose per week. Boom, first client down. I just became a health coach with AI. What do you wanna see next?